Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, then initiating the link. Sign into the same Xbox Live account on both devices so permissions match. Make sure the console and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids discovery problems. On the console, enable remote features and allow connections in settings so the app can see it. Once done, open the Xbox app and start device discovery. You're creating a trusted connection that lets the app control streaming and game management. Now you complete the in-app workflow to pair and configure. Open the Xbox app and go to Consoles or Devices, then choose Add a Console. The app will search automatically. If prompted, type the numeric code shown on the console or accept the pairing prompt on the console screen. Make sure to set desired streaming quality and controller mapping in the app because they affect latency and battery use. Once paired, test a short stream to verify video and controller input. Respond smoothly. Finish by launching a game stream and verifying end-to-end performance. You should check audio, video clarity, and controller responsiveness. Small tweaks in app bitrate or Wi-Fi channel often solve lag. Make sure to close background apps on the phone and use 5 GHz if available for lower interference. If the app can't find the console, restart both devices and repair. Often a quick restart clears network cache. One key tip: if stuttering persists, switch to wired Ethernet for the console to stabilize bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.